Hello everyone, got another parcel from Aliexpress. I think I know what this is. It is, oh wow, well I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a powdery substance that you would have to mix with water, and I expected instructions, but there is none. I'll have to find out how this works. Right, okay. I never said what this was when I started the video. This is a soft clay imprint kit. You can use it for anything, but I'm going to use it to make an imprint on my little boy's hand. And apparently it air dries. So you take it out of the packet, you make your imprint, and you leave it out on the side, and it'll solidify. I don't know how long it'll take, but we've got to find out. They sent me 2 of these actually. You're not supposed to get 1, but I got 2. Right, we'll give it a shot. Okay, so we got ourselves a plate. I'm going to put this on the plate. Not sure. Actually, it's got a sticky, wet consistency. It feels really strange. Yeah, I'll roll it into a ball. And then I'll press it out. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Yeah. And all we need is the baby's hand. Okay, I'll rim over it. This is going to be really difficult because he doesn't like to open his hands. Got him, got him. No. Okay. Looks like a dinosaur's claw. Okay, so I rolled it up and we're going to have another go. He's not going to open his hand. He's really not. He's just not going to do it. No. Okay, we'll do his foot instead. There we go. It's still not come out great. God, his hard work. Okay, so we're going to keep that one. And we're going to have another go with the spare one that they sent us, which was lucky. Okay, come. We'll go with his other foot this time. No, he's crunching them up. It'll do. It will do. Right, we don't know how long you leave these for to fully dry out. But when they have, we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and it feels like it's hardened, but it doesn't harden rock solid like you might think it would. It's spongy. Yeah, it's very spongy. Let's see if I can get this off here. I probably can't. I probably made a mistake leaving it on a plate. I'd advise you to use some baking paper or something like that so it doesn't stick. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It's a little bit wet underneath. But it has dried out. It just doesn't dry solid. It dries rubbery. So yeah. There you go. It works.